When Boca Ciega Yacht Club in Gulfport, Florida, found themselves in need of a new committee boat, we happened to stumble across this fiberglass pontoon boat that did have a lot of issues. For instance, the motor that came with it, value was primarily as a trade-in. The decks were soft and spongy, but the price was extraordinarily reasonable. So after months of work by some very talented people in the club, we're ready to launch. The boat came without a trailer, so we hired a company to provide a trailer, driver, and truck to launch the boat. However, the boat had been supported on concrete blocks and could not be moved. The trailer was taller than the boat, so naturally you'd take the wheels off of the trailer, lower that down onto some wood beams so it could slide, put somebody on a winch and let him crank away madly as the driver pushed the trailer underneath the boat. As strange as it sounds, this worked extraordinarily well. If you've seen some of my videos about launching HideAway, you know you got to stay to the outside of those white lines.
Hey, how's the other side? Look at that. Great. Hold on, no, you got plenty of room.
Oh, well, okay then.
I don't see line number 1 on this weapon. Oh, you have little feet.
Where's the champagne?